How to see delete for everyone messages on WhatsApp without any app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first method you need to apply is check notification history, which is for Android 11 and above. Many Android devices have a built-in notification log that can help you view messages. So let's open settings. Now check for notifications. Open notifications, or simply you can directly search for notification history. Now tap on notification history, and here you can easily see all the notifications including WhatsApp messages and even if they were deleted. But make sure that this notification history is turned on. The second method is you need to simply restore messages from backup. Open WhatsApp. Now tap three dots at top right and select settings. Scroll down. Now look for option of chats. Scroll to the bottom and open chat backup. You have to check the last backup date and time and uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. And after that, during setup, you need to restore the backup and deleted messages present in the backup will be restored. If all else fails, you can ask the sender about the deleted message. They might share it with you again. So, by doing so, you can easily see deleted or delete for everyone messages on WhatsApp without any application. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.